SGH House by Ginga Architects in Sendai, Japan. This is a one-story house that blends into the landscape, incorporating the L-shaped roof open to the view and the Hinata-shaped built-up area into the space. The entire site is divided roughly into 4 sections, each with a large spiral staircase at its center. The line of sight swings gently across the interior and exterior, from low space to high space, from private to public, and stretches out in succession, opening up to an LDK with a large terrace with a great view.